Guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome back to my channel, I'm Swanson. Today, I brought another Hitapp solution to your perusal, and I hope that you'll be finding all these videos very useful to get on with Hitaps on this UHRS. So let's get directly to the Hitapp. Okay, so this one last, we'll be talking today about this text adds product and service terms, right? That is in English. Okay, let's go to the first screenshot. Okay, so that's what's occurring. That's a brand, label, bra, model, sexy, seamless contour. So here the product's a bra. Okay, so write bra in this product uh, slot. Okay, so I was correcting this. DS7 to 2020. Actually, spec attribute is 2020. I was wrong. This I brought this D model DS7 2020. It's not a model. It's a spec attribute. Okay. So DS7 is a model, not 2020. So write this either you can spec attribute 2020 or DS7. Okay. Shore Roads code Home Depot. Right. So you can see this. Shore Roads, it's a product. Not only roads, but there are so many types of roads. So right, Shore Roads, that's the product. Okay. And spec attribute, if you want to write here, you can write the code here. Right. It's not necessary. Okay. Nude vacuum site. So here, spec attribute is a nude. Vacuum site is a service, right? Vacuum site is a service. So, and spec attribute is a nude. Okay, so do this as it's given there. Here. Butterbox.com. It's a, there's a, I was wrong with this. I brought this butterbox.com in service tab, but it's not right. So there's no applicable term given here. So just select submit and enter. So, okay, so there's no applicable term in this query. Anti-fogging solution motorcycle helmet shield. So, anti-fogging solution is a product, not only solution, but there's so many types of solutions. Okay, so anti-fogging solution is a product. Okay, you could write spec attribute that's motorcycle helmet shield. It's not necessary. A letter yarn sale. So letter yarn, actually, it's a yarn. That's the product. I wrote letter yarn. I was wrong in this, and letter is a spec attribute. So just enter yarn in this product. Not bought this. I was wrong with this. Okay. Next, the hotels Mital Beach, South Carolina. So hotels that provides you service. Okay. So enter hotels in the service box. A CC cleaner Windows 10. So here, product says CC cleaner. It's a product. Windows 10 is a spec attribute. You can write this. I was writing this. Okay. So CC cleaner, it's a product, and Windows 10 is a spec attribute. Generac generators model. This generators are they are the product. Models is you can write here. It's a model. Okay. So NN004588 is a model number. Okay. The keyboards to fit the new Surface Pro 2. So here, keyboards is a product. Obviously, everyone knows that. So enter this keyboards in the product slot. Nautical hanging light fixtures. So light fixtures is a product. Not just don't write hanging. It's a spec attribute, I think. Yes, nautical hanging is a spec attribute. Light fixtures is a model. Sorry, a product. Search a big all Hensley executive chair. So chair, I wrote chair only, but write executive. So there are so many types of chairs. So write executive chair as a product. Okay. Clear plant yellow. Because this yellow is a spec attribute. Okay. And the clear plant is a product. Painter Appleton area. Painter is a service provider. Okay. So write service. Okay, so that's all, and success in this hit app. So thank you very much for listening to the video. Thank you again.